So I'm having a problem on PS2, which doesn't seem to be nearly as popular as other ones. This little flap here, I've never had a problem with in any PS2 I've ever had. This isn't a problem right here where the thing isn't connecting, I guess. Somebody wrapped a piece of gum wrapper underneath that. Or whatever it was. This is my problem. And within the half an hour I looked doing research, I can't find anything. So. Yeah, so I don't know what that could be. I'm wondering if there's a way I can pop this off to look at it. But here's the thing, I'm not going to be stupid and do that while the thing's plugged in. So if anybody has any answers, that would be cool.